Welcome back. Today, I'm so excited because you are going to create your very own Soulshine list. Now, what is a Soulshine list, you might be thinking? This is a list of 10 or more things that light you up from the inside out. And often these things are free. They come from nature. They are things that you do where time just goes by and you kind of look at the clock and you're like, wow, I can't believe that time went. And doing more of these things in your life is going to create more fun, more flow, and more abundance. So today, I'd like you to sit down with your journal and a pen and write down 10 or more things. Set a timer for no longer than 7 minutes and see how many things you can think of and put down on your paper. They might be things like gardening, singing, dancing in the kitchen. It might be a random Zumba class or a coffee date with friends. It might be a walk in nature or down the beach. It might simply be just taking some time out to be with your animals or your children or your friends or your family, or cooking a nourishing meal. But how many things can you think of in 7 minutes? Ready, set, go!